Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so excited to have you here with me today. Our word of the day is all right. It's an A2 level exclamation that you'll often hear in English. All right is used to express agreement, reassurance, or acknowledgment in conversation. Let's break it down. When you say all right, you might be agreeing with someone, like when a friend suggests going out for coffee and you respond with, sounds good, all right. It can also be a way to reassure someone. For instance, if a child trips and falls, you might say, you're all right, don't worry. Finally, it can be used to acknowledge someone's statement, like replying with all right when your boss gives you instructions at work. Now, let's talk about some synonyms for all right. A few common ones are okay, fine, and very well. Imagine your coworker asks, "Can we meet at 2 p.m.?" You could reply, "Okay, that works for me." Or if someone apologizes for a mistake, you might say, "It's fine, no problem." Similarly, when agreeing in a more formal setting, you could say, "Very well, let's proceed with the plan." On the other hand, let's explore some antonyms. If something isn't all right, it might be not okay, wrong, or bad. For example, if someone says they're feeling sick, you might respond, "Oh no, that's not okay." Or if a project isn't meeting expectations, you could say, "This seems wrong. Let's recheck the details." And of course, if something has clearly gone poorly, you might describe it as bad. In everyday life, you'll hear all right in all kinds of situations. It's super versatile. Imagine you're in a restaurant and the server checks on you. They might ask, "Is everything all right here?" You could also use it casually with friends, like asking, "Are you all right after that long hike?" Or when making plans, you might say, "It's all right if we meet a bit later." Here are some more examples in sentences. After the long meeting, we all agreed it was all right to call it a day. The teacher asked if everyone was all right with postponing the test. He reassured her, "Everything will be all right. Just take a deep breath." To wrap things up, all right is a simple yet powerful expression that helps you show agreement, offer reassurance, or acknowledge someone's statement. It's a phrase that's easy to remember and very useful in daily life. Thanks so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And don't forget to try using all right in your own sentence and share it with us in the comments. I can't wait to read your creative ideas. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English.